happened to you?
I had a truck accident. A truck smashed into my car when I was 20, so I've had bad neck, back and hip for over 40 years. And my osteopath said my back is the worst out of every patient in his whole practice. So
Can we pray for her, everybody? She's right now. And her neck, her spine, come gets a shock in the trauma, and her hip right now.
Amen, amen.
Even the stiffness to go. Even the stiffness to go from the spine right now.
Amen.
Just move your back now. How's that going? You're amazing.
it's usually my hip that locks up, so I'm just...
So how's it going now?
Find it.
Yeah.
You trying to find it?
No, I'm just sort of seeing how it's going.
Is it gone now?
Yeah, the neck feels great. Shoulders are good.
Bend down, touch your toes. Bend down, bend down.
Amen.
Hey, that's cool. How's that going?
That's good.
That's good. I've never gotten down that far for
40 years. 40 years? Now that's a long time, isn't it?
The sick, heals the lame, and it says you can heal them too in Jesus' name.